Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another TEMU furniture review, y'all, and this time is something a little bit different. We are doing an in-home office in our home, y'all. So we have a TEMU desk right here, and I'm so excited. Y'all know we're gonna do the unboxing and everything like that. Y'all, since we have been redoing our apartment, giving our apartment a complete makeover, we had this little empty space right here in our apartment, and as y'all know, I am a full-time content creator, and my wife works from home sometimes, so it is smart to build an in-home office space, which it is really her space, child. I don't have to have an office space. So this is gonna be my wife's in-home office space that we are building for her to just, you know, be really comfortable working from home and everything like that. So, child, you know I had to go down to that TEMU, honey, and see what they had. So, girl, let me show y'all the TEMU desk that we went ahead and picked up, y'all. It's really cute, as you can see. I do believe they have it in other colors, if I'm not mistaken. But of course, y'all know TEMU have a ton of other desks, which is amazing. So, you know, if you are looking to build an in-home office space or something like that, you know, maybe you're a content creator or you work from home and you just want to kind of spruce up your space, go ahead on down to that TEMU and pick this up. But y'all know, just because we see the pictures is cute and all of that, we are going to go ahead, put this together, and I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion on this TEMU furniture. So I'm not going to keep you guys waiting. Let's go ahead and get right into this unboxing.
Okay.
That is a nice screwdriver.
Nice screwdriver.
Did they give you any other tools?
Not that I see yet. I see the screwdriver. And I'm thinking it's just the hardware. I'm thinking it's all I'm need. Please, someone pick this out for me.
Yes, that is a nice color. Okay, TEMU.
Right?
Yeah, those are a really nice color, babe. I love those. You guys, so these are all of the pieces that came in the set, and honey, they sent a screwdriver to come with these things as well. Okay, so okay, TEMU. And baby, did Amazon deliver this?
Yes, Amazon delivered this.
Well, there you have it, if you had any questions. All right, y'all, so while baby put that together, I'm gonna show you guys this Fireplace diffuser that we got from TEMU. Y'all know how I do. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys off to the side the exact fireplace that we ordered off of TEMU. So, okay, it's actually a little smaller than I expected, but that is what it is supposed to look like. So let me take this out the box. Let's see here. Okay. I don't know what color we ordered, but I do believe they have other colors. Let's see. Girl. Okay. Oh, you guys, it is so cute. So we got this because, as you guys can see, baby have a new desk for our new in-home office area. So you guys, we thought this would be a nice addition to add onto her desk, you know, so she could sit back and vibe when she's at work. Well, when she's in meetings, child. When she's in meetings and things like that. And she absolutely loves scents. So we already have a really nice aromatherapy like little kit that comes with like lemongrass and like other scents, but we usually have like Epsom salt. No, girl. See, now I'm just talking. Sitting there talking about some we have Epsom salt. Okay, girl, stop laughing. What I meant to say is that we usually have eucalyptus and lavender, and those usually smell really good. So yeah, but we do have something, girl, that ain't got nothing to do with this, but anywho, yeah, girl, this is the new fireplace diffuser that we got off of TEMU. So I don't know how it works. Let me see. Let's see, do we open it up like that? Oh! Okay, so you open it up top right there, which is pretty nice. But do I put the water? Okay, so we light up. Oh, okay, so you just add the water in right here, close it up, and it comes with a cord on the inside as well. So, and I'm guessing that is how it light up because it's supposed to change colors. So yeah, you guys, I'm really excited about this, and I cannot wait to style baby's in-home office space. They just sound so cute. I can't wait to put it together. So yeah, y'all, that's another thing that we got, another TEMU find. Okay, you guys, so babe is finished, y'all. The desk is complete and it looks absolutely amazing. Perfect for our space because, you know, I told you guys that we're doing an in-home office. But this is perfect, as y'all can see, for the space. It looks so good. It looks so good right here, which is right by the entrance to our home, which is perfect because we wanted it, you know, girl, he think it's his. Okay, I'm back, y'all. Now that I had to get Jasper off the desk, honey, can't do anything, child, without him acting like it's his. But you guys, look at the finish on this freaking desk, y'all. Like, the finish on the wood is absolutely stunning. Like, I just feel like this is perfect for the space. It looks good, honestly, with the floors and stuff. And of course, it matched the aesthetics that are in our home. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to come and show you guys the finish look and what it looks like in our home. Okay, you guys, so that is going to be the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, y'all, because y'all know we are doing a home makeover series. We are about to get ready to put the desk chair here, so make sure you check out that video that's going to be coming out, y'all. Oh, Jasper just ran past me. I think he's a little upset about not being able to get on the desk. But anyway, I love y'all, and I'll talk to you guys in the next home decor video. Bye.